What's up, guys? If you're looking for a powerful gaming PC that doesn't take up much space, you're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs on Amazon in 2026. These mini PCs are perfect for light to mid-level gaming, content creation, and everyday productivity, all in a compact form factor. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Mini PC. The ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U, paired with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD. It supports 4K triple display, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and comes in a compact, stylish design. This mini PC is ideal for light gaming, esports titles, and multitasking. Games like CS2, Valorant, Fortnite, and GTA 5 run smoothly on low to medium settings. It's also excellent for office work, streaming, and media consumption. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 performance, triple 4K display support, compact and energy efficient, great for light gaming and productivity. Cons: not suitable for high-end AAA gaming, integrated graphics only. If you want a balanced mini PC for gaming and work, the Kron Mini K1 is a solid and affordable option. Number 2. KAMRUI AM21 Mini PC, best performance pick. This powerhouse features the AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. It includes Radeon 780 micrographics, USB 4, quad display support, and dual LAN. This is the most powerful mini PC on this list. You can comfortably play AAA games at medium to high settings, and it's also perfect for video editing, 3D work, and heavy multitasking. Pros: extremely powerful Ryzen 7 CPU, Radeon 780 micrographics for serious gaming, 32GB DDR5 RAM, future-proof connectivity. Cons: slightly more power consumption. If you want desktop-level performance in a mini PC, the KAMRUI AM21 is the best choice in 2026. Number 3. KAMRUI Hyper-HS Mini Gaming PC. The Hyper-HS runs on AMD Ryzen 7 6800HS with 32GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. It supports triple 4K displays, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. This mini PC delivers excellent gaming performance, especially for esports and older AAA titles. The Radeon graphics are efficient, and thermal management is quite good for its size. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 6800HS CPU, fast LPDDR5 memory, smooth 1080p gaming, compact gaming setup. Cons: PCIe 3.0 SSD, no external GPU support. A great mid-range gaming mini PC that balances performance and price very well. Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P1 Mini PC. The Pinova P1 features an AMD Ryzen 4300U, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and a 256GB SSD. It supports triple 4K output and comes with USB-C, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This mini PC is designed more for casual gaming and everyday tasks. You can play lighter games like Minecraft, Rocket League, and indie titles without issues. Pros: affordable price, compact and quiet, triple 4K display support. Cons: limited gaming performance, small storage capacity. Perfect for budget users who want light gaming and daily productivity in a small form factor. Number 5. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Best Budget Pick. Powered by the Ryzen 4300U, the Pinova P2 comes with 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD, plus triple 4K display support via HDMI, DP, and Type-C. This is a solid entry-level mini PC. It handles office work, media streaming, and light gaming smoothly. Storage is better than the P1, making it more practical. Pros: best value for money, decent storage, compact and efficient. Cons: not for modern AAA games, older CPU architecture. If you're on a tight budget, the Pinova P2 is a reliable and affordable mini PC. So that's it for today's review. I hope this video helped you decide which product is right for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and top picks. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.